Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this video. Appreciate your time and your support. It's been over a week since I've been in the YouTube studio here, creating some content. Had my surgery last Tuesday, June 18th. So I've been healing, taking lots of meds, still on the meds. And today I'm going to unbox a device that I brought in, sold, and now here it is again, because I do believe in second chances. So we're gonna do this all over again. I think it was back in January when this smartphone came out, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra.
It's not like you don't know. It's in the title, right? I was like trying to be secretive, and then I just realized, wait a second, it's in the title. Oh my goodness, it's got to be the medication.
All right, so the S24 Ultra. We're going to do this again. There's been some updates since January. The area that I had the most difficult time with was shooting video in the dark. The S23 Ultra, the S21 Ultra were amazing. I can't remember my experience with the S22 Ultra off the top of my head. But either way, I had some issues with focus hunting, light flare, glare, just a lot of negativity when shooting video in the dark. And the picture quality wasn't as great as I expected. But again, I believe in second chances. There has been a few updates, so we're going to together go through the reviewing process very slow because, again, I just had knee surgery, so me going out and about isn't going to be as easy. I can't drive right now. I can't just go walking everywhere. The walking has to be limited. I have to do exercises, ice packing, medication, and that's going to go on for a while. So if I get to go out, hopefully soon down the road here, my wife is going to be driving and I got to be the passenger, and I'll probably like shoot a little video. I'll take some pictures, and anyway, I'll do my best. I'll do what I can. But I want to go through this again with this device, and I don't know why I put that away. Oh, I forgot. All I have to do is this. Again, I'm not completely clear-headed, so all right. And there she is. Bam. So yes, it's the same color that I unboxed back in January. I really love this color. A lot of the other colors that I was thinking about were not going to ship out as quick as this one. So, and again, I love this color, and I figured I'd get it shipped faster to me here to my home, and we can start going through the reviewing process. I'm going to take that off. And what I'm going to do is boot up my S24 Ultra and then get it set up, and I'll come back. This case from UAG is part of the Pathfinder series. It does not have magnet for MagSafe. It's an exclusive design, metal splatter, 18-foot drop tested, made with recycled materials. And you can see on the back there some information. Pause the video really quick and check all of that out. Yeah, I'm going to put some protection on my S24 Ultra. So I'll be right back after I get everything set up, because I already went through all of this back in January.
A few moments later.
All right, I am back, and I'm going to put on the metal splatter Pathfinder. Again, this doesn't have magnet for MagSafe, but I I definitely love the design on that hard shell back. With lots of corner protection, all four corners, all cutouts will be precise. Got some traction grip on both sides. Got to do your part. Hold on with a firm grip. Got that honeycomb design and texture on the inside to protect the back of your S24 Ultra. Got some flex. Yeah, that is nice. All right. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Very easy to get in there. All cutouts, lots of space, plenty of lip. Setting down on a flat surface, the surface is a little bit rough. Anything rougher than that, use your discretion. On the back, you can see that we have some lip and depth surrounding all of those cameras. And the same goes for that camera area. When surface is flat or a little bit rough, you're good to go. Anything rougher than that, use your discretion. If it's going to be somewhat of a rough surface, I would purchase some camera glass lens protectors. That way you don't scratch up those cameras. You want to be able to take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video without damaging that area. All right, let's test that wireless charging. Bam, just like that. All right, that is the metal splatter Pathfinder case from UAG, the S24 Ultra, back in the house here on My Project 13. Any questions, please ask.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
So yeah, just share your experience down below in the comment section. That would be great. Any positives or negatives. Yeah, man, I would love to read all the feedback. And with that, thanks for watching. God bless. Peace. I am out.